The 2-minute morning shot that fights all-day inflammation if you wake up feeling puffy, dealing with achy joints, or just feeling worn down. Chronic inflammation might be the reason. But what if you could start fighting back with something you can whip up in your own kitchen in less time than it takes to brew your morning coffee? We're not talking about some new trend. We're talking about a powerful recipe that combines ancient wisdom from practices like Ayurveda with modern science. The secret lies in two of the most powerful roots on the planet, ginger and turmeric. When you put them together, you get something truly special. Let's get into how to make this vibrant, health-boosting shot that will help you start your day right and support your body from the inside out. This 2-minute morning shot is a total game changer. The power of the ingredients. So, what makes this little shot so effective? It's all about the incredible synergy between its ingredients. Here's what you'll need: a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, a 2-inch piece of fresh turmeric root, 1 orange, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and about a 1/2 cup of water. If you can get organic, you don't even need to peel it. A lot of nutrients are in the skin. Add about a 1/2 cup of water. Blend it all on high for about 60 seconds until it's as smooth as it can get. Just place a fine mesh sieve or some cheesecloth over a jar and pour the mixture through. Use the back of a spoon to press down on the pulp and squeeze out every last drop of that liquid gold. And there you have it, a fresh batch of powerful wellness shots. This can help your body absorb all those incredible compounds more efficiently. It definitely has a spicy, earthy kick to it, but it's a kick you lines grow to love. It just goes to show you don't need complicated routines or expensive supplements to make a real difference in your health, because you know just how much good it's doing for you. If you're taking blood thinners or medication for diabetes, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before making this a daily ritual, just to be safe. If you do, I'd love to hear how it goes in the comments below. What changes did you notice? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, powerful tips to help you live a healthier life. You'll see it transform into this beautiful, vibrant orange liquid. Just chop the roots into small, blender-friendly chunks. Go ahead and peel the orange, since the peel can be bitter. The orange not only adds natural sweetness, but also a nice dose of vitamin C. You've got ginger, and you've got turmeric. It works by helping to interrupt the pathways in your body that trigger inflammation. And it's not just about pain. The antioxidants in these roots help protect your body from the cellular damage that can lead to other chronic issues. Ginger's power comes from a compound called gingerol, which also fights oxidative stress and has been shown to help with muscle soreness and soothe digestion. On their own, they're fantastic, but together, they create a powerful anti-inflammatory team. The star player in turmeric, the compound called curcumin, which is famous for its amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin on its own is actually pretty hard for our bodies to absorb. It can contribute to a healthier immune response and support good digestion, and you might even notice a healthy glow in your skin. It's a simple, proactive step you can take to help manage inflammation and feel your best. A compound in black pepper called piperine can boost your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. It's a tiny addition that makes a massive difference. When you combine them, their effects are complementary, making them a great duo for helping to reduce pain and inflammation, which can be a huge benefit for conditions like arthritis. But there's a secret to unlocking the full power of turmeric, and it's black pepper, the 2-minute recipe. Now for the fun part, making it. This is ridiculously easy, and you don't even need a fancy juicer. All you need is a blender. First, give your ginger and turmeric a good scrub. Now, just toss the chopped ginger, turmeric, the peeled orange, and the black pepper into your blender. Once it's perfectly blended, you'll want to strain it, your new morning ritual. That recipe makes enough for about 5 to 7 shots. So, you can store it in an airtight jar in the fridge for up to a week. The best way to work this into your day is to take 1 shot about 2 ounces first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Making this a daily habit is a great way to support your body. This simple shot is an amazing way to start your day with intention and give your body the anti-inflammatory support it's asking for. One important note: both ginger and turmeric can have mild blood-thinning effects. Give this recipe a try and see how it makes you feel. Here's to your health.